Why do millions of people around the world practice fasting? Let's uncover 10 incredible benefits that might surprise you. First up, fasting can promote weight loss by reducing calorie intake and boosting metabolism. It also helps your body burn fat for energy. Next, it improves insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. During fasting, your body initiates autophagy, a fancy word for cellular repair and recycling. Fasting can also reduce inflammation, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. It boosts brain function by increasing BDNF, a protein that supports brain health and cognitive function. And for your heart? Fasting can improve cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol, blood pressure, and triglycerides. Giving your digestive system a break promotes gut health and reduces bloating. Fasting encourages healthy eating habits, helping reset eating patterns and reduce cravings. It may even extend your lifespan by activating longevity pathways. Lastly, many people report enhanced mental clarity, focus, and energy levels during fasting. So what are you waiting for? Unlock the power of fasting and embrace a healthier you.